Plant FAQs. Aglaonema sparkling Sarah. Aglaonema sparkling Sarah, your guide to this easy care beauty. Hi, Ferbvu here, and I'm a huge fan of houseplants. Today, I want to introduce you to the Aglaonema sparkling Sarah, a stunning and low-maintenance variety that will add a touch of elegance to your indoor space. This article will answer all your burning questions about the sparkling Sarah, from its dazzling features to its simple care routine. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What is the Aglaonema sparkling Sarah? The Aglaonema sparkling Sarah is a type of Chinese evergreen, a popular houseplant known for its lush foliage. This specific variety boasts vibrant green leaves with splashes of pink, creating a captivating visual. The stems themselves are a soft pastel pink, adding another layer of intrigue to the plant's overall appearance. Aglaonema butterfly versus sparkling Sarah. I love how the Aglaonema butterfly's vibrant, patterned leaves bring a touch of the tropics to my living room. But I have a special fondness for sparkling Sarah's stunning, variegated foliage that always seems to catch the light perfectly. Is the Aglaonema sparkling Sarah easy to care for? Absolutely. This is one of the reasons why I love the sparkling Sarah so much. It's perfect for busy individuals or those new to the world of houseplants. Here's a quick breakdown of its care needs. Light. The sparkling Sarah thrives in indirect sunlight. Think bright, filtered light rather than harsh, direct rays. It can even tolerate lower light conditions, making it adaptable to various placements in your home. Water. Avoid overwatering, which is detrimental to most houseplants. The key is to water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. During winter, you might water even less frequently. Soil. Opt for a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. This ensures proper aeration and prevents waterlogging. Humidity. While the sparkling Sarah isn't fussy about humidity, it appreciates a moderately humid environment. You can mist the leaves occasionally, especially during dry winter months. How big does the Aglaonema sparkling Sarah get? The sparkling Sarah is a relatively slow grower, typically reaching a mature height of 1 to 2 feet. This makes it ideal for smaller apartments or placing on tabletops and shelves. Does the Aglaonema sparkling Sarah have air-purifying qualities? Yes, it does. The sparkling Sarah joins its Chinese evergreen cousins on the list of air-purifying plants. It helps remove common household toxins like benzene and formaldehyde, contributing to a cleaner indoor environment. Is the Aglaonema sparkling Sarah toxic to pets? Unfortunately, the sparkling Sarah, like many Aglaonema varieties, is considered mildly toxic to pets and humans if ingested. The culprit is calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause irritation to the mouth, stomach, and intestines. If you have curious pets or small children, it's best to place this plant out of reach. Aglaonema sparkling Sarah versus other popular houseplants. Here's a quick comparison of the sparkling Sarah with two other well-known houseplants. Pothos. Both are low maintenance and tolerant of lower light conditions. However, the pothos offers cascading vines and comes in a wider variety of leaf variegations. Snake plant. Another champion of low maintenance care, the snake plant boasts upright, sword-like foliage. It requires even less watering than the sparkling Sarah. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preference and the aesthetic you're aiming for. Where can I buy an Aglaonema sparkling Sarah? Many online retailers and local plant nurseries offer the sparkling Sarah. Look for reputable sellers that prioritize healthy and established plants. Final thoughts on the Aglaonema sparkling Sarah. The Aglaonema sparkling Sarah is a stunning and easy-to-care-for houseplant that injects a pop of color and life into your living space. With its vibrant foliage and low-maintenance needs, it's a perfect choice for beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts alike. So, why not bring a touch of the sparkling Sarah's magic into your home today?